Manners and respect. My youth, we can tell you this. It's not a disrespect because it's my youth. I take the starting out tight. It's the love I have for you. But two things in the world are blind. It's loyalty and love. So be careful who you trust. So guess what? From a brother to a brother, manners and respect, love.
Play the rhythm, play the rhythm, play the rhythm, play the rhythm. Where are the play the rhythm? 5-5 song each. 5-5 song.
Then, if you are going to sing, we have to start it down here, yeah, then. How many girls do we get when we're ready? Many. Aye. How many girls do we get when we're ready? Many.
Hey, which one of these girls must hear that flow? And you punk, you just got to believe this. Don't be scared them flow.
So me sing then, really you're not hear them, the girls I get to blaze up them fire. Level. And so there, so it's a big up Mr. Joe Bogdanovich. So Ariton, start the one again. Oh, we don't care for.
But I don't care for you now, you fucking crow. You wanna do my dance, so don't shoot and go. I'm not running, I'm just running.
You see that sound? Alright then, who the hell is painting me in the morning? Quick and yawning, I'm yawning. Oh, go check a wipe all the matter from your yawning. Let it go again.
Scatter don't stop nothing.
And then guess what? Scatter. Level. You see Mr. Bogdanovich, when them see them to know one thing. Mr. Bogdanovich, Ariton, let me start it. Then we got it like that. We have to have a girlfriend Friday.
If I'm not busy, have a different girl every day. Yeah.
So we go up them and they scare them way. So we sing them. That's how we do it. We have to have a girlfriend Friday.
If I'm not busy, have a different girl every day. Yeah.
So we rub them and they scare them. Hey, Batman now run back and no girl coulda own exorcism.
We ain't taking no big program.
Yeah,
Papa coulda own
Mr. Bogdanovich, I will say big up John Ive, Cecile, Scatter, Rolex, Conley, left side, Marcy Chin, Danny Boo. Who is this? The boss? How is this, Harry?
Now let me tell you something, fellas. You understand the truth and the power behind music and the unity through music. Everything's possible.
People, the way I never get much schooling and make my surrounding be a lot of educated people. You understand? So I can learn along the way. Elephant, so we say, a beer girl, wow, yeah. We touch a road out and girl we swam with. Beer girl,
You see that level. Girl broke out on the cocky, broke it up from my coat like a hockey. Make me mommy like no money. See no in a circle, pin your knee. Level. Wine for the stiffy, wine for the stiffy. Come on, Nicky, you the muscle and the something grippy. When me live it, chippy, I'm feeling like a hippie. Ariton now.
Hey, these are you me come from, scare them.
What you say?
So me big up all bounty killer them.
What you say?
Run a while time, big up the talk them, Headcut, Taliban. So we say, a beer gun surround with. And love gun we have and none of them no empty. Beer gun surround, we don't know.
Level. Try to arm them no green like lime. And in a deer make you enemy smell your Calvin Klein. Touch road in a everybody will smell good. We there the party. We have them and go so. No chon no day. Bamba drop.
Ellie, let me take you some of your favorite them now.
I guess.
This, watch it. Hey. Young nigga listen take over.
Yeah.
Rock the world, them dance and murder. You hear? An elephant buster, king ya. China, step your son. Let out the ruler. Generally, tonight, who is sure than the ruler? Shanker the break and ankle. Let out the ruler. Since later there, him a dance to the ruler. Dante, big up yourself.
What I know? Mr. Wacky and the teacher about ice about the pizza. Everybody on the floor, say you do the gully creeper. People on the feet, they use the door. Out of that saying the black or white. Oh, my God, with themselves. Bend your back, move up your shoulder, move your foot them like a roller. Make up your face just like a creature. Do the gully creeper. Gully getting deep and deal. Them getting steep and the dark, them getting sweeter. Level. Them dancing style all outdated like thing. if you do the nolling now. Swing to the right, and down to the left. Alright, level.
Alright.
That's the angel.
He look Moses. We're up so. How we did first. And I'll be there. But tell him, who has started the way? Remember this? Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Everybody. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. One more time. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. All of Shia. Cha cha cha. Love Mr. Rock with all of my life. Hey, that's the angel, you love. What? We're up so, how we dip so, and I'll be there if you need me. Just call it. You're ready. That's the angel, you love Moses. We're up so, how we dip so, and I'll be there if you. Oh, out here, dance on party sings the second. Move to the left hand, na na na. Move to the right hand, cha cha cha. Hold the side hand, ya 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 ya. Toddler.
Somebody call the cop. Them all we don't stop. We not pay them no mind. We can't so back and just a rap. Curfew them want to chop. We nothing no shot. We not pay them no mind. When the friends scatter there. Hey, everybody fear to gangsta rock now. Lean back now to gangsta rock now. You want to get it somehow. I can change rhythm. Big up everybody who come at the party. It's a blessed moment. We have to say, hear me now, God over everything. Although scatter bunny all the while, but we'll take time bringing scatter, you know. Scatter! Are you saying scatter go like him, like the Almighty? Me just do some people. Hey, scatter! In your nose! In your nose! Big up scatter, big up my trainer! Yo, Dagla! Well, bad man, I must have the gap. I'm a drum! I tell. You know you have to just play some song.
Right now, it's a nice moment, Alex. Thank you very much.
Every time, Tadla. Bless up.
The earth is larger than fullness thereof.
Hold on, see me, Harry.
Without God, we are nothing. See me, it's a God this.
Finish that song.
Without God, we are nothing. It's a God this.
Okay, alright. Yes. Yo, you know, so we're glad for the unity and the strength, as Joe said, with music and a decent gathering of wonderful people, anything is possible. And look at this. I am telling you, the respect for them two men you have for each other. Elephant has been recording in the studio for the last 2 months. And Harry Toddler has been such a wonderful person. You know what he has done? He come to the studio every day and him sit right under that tree and them wish you well. Because them no reason for years. I don't know why, but them no reason for years. And I said the thing, go! But look at music, do! So you see that place here, you see that gathering here. I want to thank you all. Y'all made this possible. Big up on yourself. I want to big up everybody who turned out tonight. I want to big up all patrons, everybody who come support Downsound.
Shana Controller.
Big up Mr. Robert Russell and big up all the VVVIPs. Right now at phone time, I see some wonderful ladies dressing, looking immaculate and so forth. Who want to skank off on the feet and go make love to a husband or something. So at phone time now, right, Eichel? Hope you have some good music for the people, let me know, brother. Cause this now lock off till 4 o'clock, cause we get an extension. Alright, we'll have the Prime Minister pass speed dial.
Yo, let me tell you this. We're not ready to leave us, some people. When the don't get coming. The party just a start now. Don't worry about it. For all those who are ball for playing music, this is our family gathering. You understand? I will welcome everybody here. So just give us a little time for ourselves. So we have it now. So right about now, when you are going to juggle some music for everybody, we say peace and love.
Yo, you not hear me? No, I don't like where I'm going. Listen up keenly. You see, every year, this party has been going on for 4 years.